How to get Shopify access token. So right here from the main page of Shopify, we will click on settings. And then from the settings page, if we scroll down, you should see apps and sales channels. So just choose this option. And here we have to choose develop apps. Now we have to agree to this app development policy. And then we will allow custom app development. Once we have selected this, it's going to look like this, and we have to click on create an app, and the app name here we will do test, and we're just going to click on create app. And once we have clicked on create app, then you will see this configure admin, API scopes, configuration, API credentials. So we want to go to API credentials here. And this is where we are able to find our API key and our access token essentially, and the API secret key. So that's where you are able to find your access token on Shopify. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and a sub, and I'll see you next time.